Today I am discussed with the 10th class topic, that is the carbon and its compounds. In that, one of the important one, that is the classification of the hydrocarbons. Classification of hydrocarbons. What are the hydrocarbons? Here, carbon forms millions of compounds due to its special properties, that is unique properties, catenation, tetravalency and hybridization and high bond energy. So here, due to that special properties, it forms millions of compounds. In those millions of compounds, mainly carbon combined with a major quantity, they combine with the hydrogen. So carbon forms the compounds by combining with hydrogen. Those compounds are known as the hydrocarbons. What is that? Because of the catenation property of carbon, hydrocarbons are classified into two types: open chain hydrocarbons and cyclic or ring chain compounds. What are those? On the basis of the catenation property of carbon, hydrocarbons are classified into two types: open chain hydrocarbons and cyclic or ring chain hydrocarbons. The open chain hydrocarbons means the hydrocarbons are like this, the carbons are like this arranged, and the open chain hydrocarbons are further classified into straight chain hydrocarbons, straight chain hydrocarbons and branched hydrocarbons. Open chain hydrocarbons are two types: straight chain and branched chain. Here the carbons are linked in a chain manner. In a branched means the chain has some branches of carbon hydrocarbons. This is a difference between a straight chain and branched chain hydrocarbons. And next is a cyclic or ring chain hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are arranged in a cyclic manner. Here, the cyclic or ring chain hydrocarbons are started from the organic hydrocarbon. It contains at least 3 carbon atoms. This is a simple cyclic hydrocarbon. 3 carbon member and 4 carbon and 5 carbon. Different number of carbons forms a different cyclic or ring chain hydrocarbons. This is a classification of hydrocarbons on the basis of the catenation nature of the carbon. And next, another important property of the carbon is the tetravalency. That means carbon forms a 4 covalent bonds. Here, if a carbon forms all the 4 bonds, all the 4 single bonds or sigma bonds, that we known as a saturated molecule. Here, on the basis of the tetravalency, the hydrocarbons are classified into two types. One is a saturated hydrocarbons and second one is a unsaturated hydrocarbons. If the 4 valencies of carbon are saturated with the sigma bonds, saturated with the 4 other atoms or 4 other sigma bonds, that we are known as a saturated hydrocarbons. Here we observe only CC single bonds. That molecules are known as alkanes. Here these have a general formula, that is a CnH2n plus 2, where N is started from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And we will see examples for the saturated hydrocarbons or the alkanes. Example, take a 1 in the place of a N, C, 1, H, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2, 4. That means CH4, CH4. That we known as we call as a methane. And see the place the 2 in the place of N. C2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6. H6, C2, H6. And place the 3, C3, H8. Okay, this is about the saturated hydrocarbons. Example, alkanes. The general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. CH4, C2H6, C3H8. Okay, and we will go to the next one, that is the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons means the organic molecule have at least one double or a triple bond. At least one double or a triple bond. That means in the 4 valencies of carbon, it has either the carbon has double bond or either the carbon has triple bond. If the molecule have at least one double bond, that molecules are known as the alkenes. If the molecule hydrocarbon have at least one triple bond, those are known as the alkynes. Alkynes. Here the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n. CnH2n. Alkynes. The general formula of alkynes is the CnH2n minus 2. What is that? The general formula of alkenes is the CnH2n and the general formula of alkynes is the CnH2n minus 2. But here in alkanes the N is started from 1. But in alkenes and alkynes the N is 2, 3, 4, so on. Here the N value is also 2, 3, 4. Place the N value and write down the molecules of alkenes and alkynes. Example for alkenes. Take a N equal to 2. C2H2N means 2 2s are 4. And next take a N equal to 3. C3H 2 3s are 6. C3H6 and C4H8 etc. And next go to the examples for the alkynes. The general formula CnH2n minus 2. Here also N is started from the value of N is started from the 2, means the triple bond is existed between a minimum 2 carbon atoms. So take a N, the minimum value of N is 2. Take the N equal to 2, means C2H2n minus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 2, 2. That means C2H2. And next one C3H 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 2, 4. C3H4. C4H 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 2, 6. This is the classification of hydrocarbons according to the 2 special properties of a carbon. One is a catenation and another one is a tetravalency. Due to the catenation property, carbon is classified into 2 types: open chain hydrocarbons and cyclic or ring chain hydrocarbons. Open chain hydrocarbons are classified into 2 types: straight chain and branched chain. And cyclic or ring chain hydrocarbons means the carbon atoms are carbon and hydrogen atoms are arranged in a cyclic manner. The cyclic or ring chain hydrocarbons are started from the molecule must and should have a minimum 3 carbon atoms. And on the basis of another property, tetravalency. Tetravalency means a carbon forms minimum 4 bonds. Carbon forms 4 bonds. Those 4 bonds may be single bonds or sigma bonds. Such type of molecule we known as saturated molecules. If a molecule have at least one double or a triple bond, those molecules are known as unsaturated molecules. The saturated molecules are known as alkanes. The general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. And examples are here N is started from 1, 2, 3, 4. Example CH4, C2H6, C3H8, etc. Unsaturated molecules. If a molecule have at least one double bond, those are known as alkenes. The general formula CnH2n Here N is started from 2, 3, 4. Here 2 means minimum, the double bond formed between minimum 2 carbon atoms. Example C2H4, C3H6, C4H8. And alkynes means carbon-carbon triple bond. Molecules contain a carbon-carbon triple bond. The formula, general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Here N is a 2, 3, 4, so on. Example C2H2, C3H4, C4H6,